The customer journey map visually depicts the customer's experience when interacting with your product, service, and brand. It helps to understand whether customers have achieved their goals and what you can help to improve their experience. 1. Define your goals for using customer journey map. Is it to improve the experience of an existing product, or to develop new product features? 2. Define the customer. Who are your customers and what are their goals? What are the difficulties they encounter? What do they need to do? Map the customer journey. You need to have steps, touch points, actions, needs and pain points, feelings, opportunities, and the people responsible for improving the experience. 4. Envision the outcome after solving the customer challenge. What your customer will be able to do, what bad outcomes can be avoided, and what changes will be made to the environment.